The concept of sustainable development is becoming increasingly important in today's world. It is a means of perceiving the world as well as a method for finding solutions to challenges on a global scale. The United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, or SDGs, are a series of goals that aim to end poverty, protect the planet, and improve the lives and prospects of everyone by 2030. But COVID-19 and its effects are a significant setback in progress towards these SDGs, and the most vulnerable are especially impacted. The COVID-19 pandemic has placed a strain on the global economic system and brought to light the role that the WTO plays in re-establishing a healthier and more inclusive global economy in a world that is beset by several crises. This intricate web of lost jobs, lowered incomes, and deteriorating health conditions will have a huge influence on global human development as well as the achievement of the Sustainable Development Goals and the 2030 Agenda. International trade has influenced some of the 17 Sustainable Development Goals that are currently under review by the 2021 High-Level Political Forum. The first goal is no poverty. The second goal, zero hunger. The third goal, excellent health and well-being. The goal 8, decent work and economic growth. And the goal 10, reducing inequality between and within countries. The pandemic has made it abundantly evident how essential it is to maintain efforts to reform the WTO in order to render it more adaptable both in times of crisis and to an evolving global economy. The virus has already done significant damage and will continue to do more if governments do not act swiftly to protect the most vulnerable. The UN acknowledges that the first priority must be for governments and healthcare systems to control the disease and mitigate as many of the impacts of the SDG as possible. Please know that you've had a profound impact on people's lives. Even though we've only known each other for a short time, your students in Foreign Service 201 class will always have your back, no matter what. When things go wrong, as they sometimes will, when the road you're trudging seems uphill, and want to smile but have to sigh, remember to rest, if you must, but do not quit. We know that these past few months have been so hard for you, but we appreciated you, and your sacrifices don't go unnoticed. Whatever you ask, may you receive. Whatever you seek, may you find. Whatever you wish, may it be fulfilled.